Hello everyone. Today we will say fluid kinematics and we already have seen means fluid kinematics होता क्या है. Okay, and what is the difference between fluid kinematics. ये चीज़ें हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं in the previous class. Okay, so in today's class we will see means what are the approaches of studying fluid kinematics. Okay, so here we will see approaches of studying fluid kinematics. Approaches of studying fluid kinematics. Okay, so means there are actually two approaches. Okay, बोलते क्या है कि फ्लूइड काइनेमेटिक्स को स्टडी करने के लिए एक्चुअली देयर आर टू अप्रोचेस. वन इज नोन एज लैग्रांजियन अप्रोच. और जो दूसरा होता है वो है दैट इज ऑयलेरियन अप्रोच. जो लैग्रांजियन अप्रोच होता है दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. Conservation of mass, that is you already have studied that suppose there is a pipe and fluid is flowing along the pipe. So whatever the mass that go inside, that should have to exit, means the mass in equals mass out. This is actually the conservation of mass. So okay, so means Lagrangian approach is totally based on कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास प्रिंसिपल. ओके, एंड मीन्स फर्स्ट हम लोग यहाँ पे फर्स्ट देखेंगे कि लैग्रांजियन अप्रोच होता क्या है. In case of Lagrangian approach, suppose in case of Lagrangian approach, it is said that means here we are actually here each and every particles are traced. Okay, means ये बोलते हैं कि here suppose you have you say pipe having cross section, you say like this. Okay, and fluid is passing through the pipe. तो हम लोग जानते हैं सपोज इट इज सेड दैट each and every particles are traced. Each and every particles are traced. ओके, सो इन सेंस मतलब बोलने का मतलब है सपोज फ्लूइड इज फ्लोइंग along a pipe. along a pipe, so fluid में क्या होता है infinite number of particles or you say thousands of particles or you say a large number of particles is there, and if you want to trace each and every particles, so what infinite number of observer will be required. If I am saying there are you say 1000 number of particles, then 1000 number of observers will be required to trace the behavior of the fluid particles. Okay, behavior in sense means actually we are tracing here means how the motion, how the actually velocity acceleration is varying as the fluid particles flow along the pipe. Okay, हम लोग बोलते हैं actually suppose if I am considering there are two particles, okay, two fluid particles A and B, so there are two observers will be required so that when ये जो पार्टिकल है फ्रॉम यू से इनलेट टू आउटलेट जब फ्लो करेंगे तो मीन्स देयर आर टू ऑब्जर्वर्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड सो दैट मीन्स हम लोग वी कैन कम टू नो मीन्स हाउ द वेलोसिटी, हाउ द एक्सेलरेशन इज गेटिंग वेरीड, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टडी इज जनरली टर्म्ड एज Lagrangian study. Okay, Lagrangian approach. Okay, so here means the mathematical form to represent the you say displacement vector. Here we can represent it as like this. Here the displacement displacement as of any fixed particles or you say position vector is getting represented as it is a function of what initial position as node and time. Okay, this is actually represents initial position. And this represents displacement as or you say of any fixed particle any fixed particle. Okay, so I can also say displacement s of any fixed particle. Okay, if I am saying suppose अगर हम मतलब मैं if I am saying that if I am representing, you say if I am saying, you say a 3D coordinate system and it represents y, this z direction and this is x direction. So where x is what? X is a function of x naught, y naught, z naught, t. Okay, similarly y, and similarly we can write for x, y, z. Okay, suppose at any time, if I am saying, means as represented as at any time where as you say it is getting represented, you say xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Okay, so what means you say, so we already have seen that x, y, z we can write it in terms of initial position with respect to time. Okay, means I can write x, y, z which is a function of x naught, y naught, z naught and t. Okay, in that way, means if I have to find out what is the velocity, so velocity, you say if I am talking about velocity in 3D, so velocity components will be what? The velocity component u, v and w in x, y, z direction. Okay, if I have to find u, so how we will find u? U will be dx upon dt, and which will be a function of what? Which will be a function of x naught, y naught, z naught, t. Okay, similarly we can find v will be, I can write dy by dt, and this will be also a function of x naught, y naught, z naught, t. Similarly we can find w. Okay, w will be d z by dt. Okay, this will be also a function of x naught, y naught, z naught, t. Okay, similarly, means in the same way I can also find what is the acceleration, or you say ax equals du by dt, means in terms of this will be this also will be a function of x naught, y naught, z naught and t. Similarly ay means acceleration y direction, or you say means dv component dv by dt, and az equals dz upon dt. So what we have seen in the case of Lagrangian approach, actually means what it is said that each and individual, or every particles are getting traced. Okay, suppose a fluid is flowing along the pipe and there are infinite number of 1000 number of fluid particles. For tracing 1000 number of particles, 1000 number of observers will be required, and if thousands and what 1000 number of observers will be required for tracing each individual particles is behavior. मतलब क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, सपोज मतलब अगर मेरे पास 1000 पार्टिकल्स हैं तो 1000 ऑब्जर्वर्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड सो दैट वी कैन ट्रेस द each particles velocity acceleration. Okay, and so which is somewhat complicated, that's why it is said that means Lagrangian approach is somewhat a complex technique. This is a complex technique of studying, or you say studying fluid kinematics. Okay, and one thing you have to keep in mind that Lagrangian approach is based on conservation of mass. Okay, now the another technique is that means what is fluid dynamic, that is Eulerian approach. Okay, this is what Eulerian, or somebody say Eulerian approach.